Okay, got a lock here from, it's a Texas Gem Sounds lock. Don't remember who sent it to me. Works beautiful, smooth. Here's the bitting. It's a KW1 keyway, but kind of looks like a wiser key in a way, but I know it's a KW1 keyway because here's a quick set key and it goes in. So it don't matter about the key or the keyway to me. It's about picking the lock open. It's got a lot of play in it.
That's the thing. We all live together, okay? So would it be different if we passed out on the couch? No. Because you would have pulled off, you would have been upstairs and not under my sheets that I bought.
And we're open. Alright, let's get it and see what we got. Try to keep it in frame, put my vise down, drop my tension bar. And Texas Gem. Not picked open a Texas Gem lock in a while. That worked out. Alright. Come on, focus. There's 5, which we can already see number 4. 5 key pins. They all work. Serrated and spooled a little bit. Serrated and serrated. All chambers are threaded, it looks like. Serrated, serrated and spooled a little bit. Springs are serrated, so it looks like all the springs are the same. So it's just, yeah, they're all the same. Looks like they're threaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all 5 are threaded in the bubble. Alright. Here is this Texas Gem KW1 rim cylinder. Alright, well, whoever sent me the lock, thanks. Sorry I don't remember who it was. As always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.